Aikari a kuma matura matiganite gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kajiado ya Rugongo mekinyitie igoti-ini thabari ya keri gwetetia itua ria thirikari ya kaunti ya Kajiado kugathikira migunda yao igoti. Aikari aya maneanite mendekithia mao ma kuregana na watho uyu igoti-ini makiuga thirikari ya kaunti ithiete mugaru na wendi wa muingi. Mendekithia maria manyitirwo mbaru ni namba nne ya aikari.
And as residents we feel that this is not fair. And we don't see the reason why they are charging land rates on the lands, because freehold land is not land that is given by the municipality. It's land that is inherited from the parents, it's ancestral land. And in any case, for them to levy tax rates, they should be able to levy rates on depending on the activities that has been put on the land.
We have no income from our land. We are there to live on them. We get vegetables, we get some cows grazing there, but it is not something that we can afford to pay. But it is not a question of affordability. It is a question of the tampering with that title, which has remained very stable throughout for generations. We cannot now accept that it even be placed a new comma.
Aikari moigite watho uyu ni uramahinyiriria makiuga wathugundurwo ni thirikari ya kaunti gutari guthingata magoti mangi maria mararihwo ni aikari kuri thirikari nene na thirikari ya kaunti. Aikari moigite igoti ria migunda ni ria kumahinyiriria ona makiria.
Ugona governor na andu ake marageria kuuga ati ndirihaga roni and the same time ngamurihaga mbeca ati ni rate na mugunda ti gwake. Mugunda ni kugura ndagurite. Ngarigwo atiriri mbeca iria already we ena cio ri niki atwikire tondu korwo ni hari undu tuonaga agitwikira ri ona basi no agiuke ona tutingiratira tukibicana nake ni tungira no turihe no ru ona migunda yo twagura ni ithu tucoka tugethondekera bara.
Aikari aria mahandite cira morite igoti guthingata wendi wa muingi rigituithania cira uyu. Wa kumakania ni ati igoti riri rigathikirwo aria mari na migunda minini iria taito ciao ni cia freehold.
Why are they targeting half and 0.05 hectares and below? Mimi ni Masai. I did not buy my name. I did not get married ndio niitwe Lemomo. I am born of a Masai man. Sisi tunakuanga na acres and acres of land. Wale wametargetiwa, sorry to say, ni businessmen wenye wamekuja hapa Kajiado North kufanya biashara. So ule tu plot wewe umeenda umechukua loan, umekuja umeweka ka biashara kako ama kanyumba uishi na watoto wako, wewe uko targeted. Lakini mimi mwenyewe niko na 20 acres I'm not targeted. Mimi mwenyewe niko na 1 acre I'm not targeted. Mimi sija affectiwa sana na hii land rates. I've not really been affected because sisi ni watu tuko na hizi ma acres and acres. I am fighting for those of 0.05 hectares and below. We are asking the county government please keep away.
Basi iwapo basi wewe utashindwa kulipa ile ada ambayo imependekezwa pale katika sheria ile, basi wewe shamba yako itanyakuliwa, utanyang'anywa shamba kwa sababu wewe unaposhindwa kulipa. Kaunti ya Kajiado itaenda mahakamani kuenda kuomba waweze ku-auction ile shamba yako ili waweze kupata zile pesa zao.
Oho moriti igoti gutuithania cira uyu na ihenya niguo kunina githagathago kiria kiriho.
Na riu twa mendere ya kurega uguo tuguthi barabara na tukumira tutire na una tire tukinya hau no kana kamatangio kaniguo turikanie tondu irezi tutirareha tora kundu kuria ta Kiambu ni mararugamirie bona ni Kajiado North, Kajiado East wathi gukorera mena mugunda munene matirahutio kugo ni tajama ya gutucokia kuria taumite no ugo tutirakiuma.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV retwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.